So now we are in the touch mode. Please always confirm your languages. I speak English and Yuta speak Japanese. Confirm. So pass one over to Yuta. When you want to speak, simply have the sensor on your earbuds. That's at the LED green indicator, the green lamp. Tap it and you will hear a beep. Hey, how are you doing today?
こんにちは。お元気ですか?
What do you think of this product?
この商品についてどう思いますか? とても革新的だと思います。
イヤホンをタッチするだけで自動的に翻訳してくれるので、とても便利だと思います。
I think that it is very convenient because it automatically translates just by touching the earphones.
When Yuta responds, he tapped his earbuds. So when it's my turn, I tap again. Fantastic. I think the translation is very accurate.
素晴らしい。翻訳は非常に正確だと思います。
Okay, pause it. So that's it for the touch mode.